Hi, and welcome to lgdelivers.com. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to edit and update your business listing. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the home page, and from there you'll click on the Login and Register button if you're not already logged in. On the login screen, you'll just enter your email address or username as well as your password, and when you've completed that, go ahead and click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll know you're logged in by the fact that the text here will change, and it will now say My Account in the upper right corner in orange instead of Login. So you can go ahead and click on the word My Account. By clicking on My Account, you'll come to your My Account page, and this is where you can manage your listings. So in this case, I'd like to edit a listing. I'll go ahead and click on My Listings. And from here, I'll see all the listings that I can control and edit. In this example, I'm pretending to be the owner of the Balkan Bakery. If you'd like to edit the listing, you can simply click on the orange icon here that says Edit. And this will open an editor. Just scroll down a little bit and you'll see a heading and content here. And in this example, let's just pretend it says right now we'll be open next Monday. I'm going to edit that and say will be open all weekend for curbside pickup. Once I've completed my edit, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Submit button at the bottom of the page. And from here, I'll get a nice little message that says my post has been submitted. Nothing needs to be approved by the administrators. Your listing is actually already live. So if you go ahead and click on the My Listings link again, that will refresh the page. You'll see your listing here, and you can already see in the description that edit has taken place. I can also go ahead and click on the Preview button here, and we'll see the page with the new description. So that concludes our tutorial on how to create or how to edit your listing. I want to thank you for visiting, and I hope we'll see you again soon. Thanks.